Hello everyone. We are proud of Nagano Prefecture. Nagano Prefecture is home to many beautiful places and special products. In my opinion, the three best things about Nagano are Zenkoji Temple, Onbashira Festival, and Enoki Mushroom. They all offer unusual experiences that everyone can enjoy. I hope that everyone who comes to Shinshu can experience these things. To begin with, Zenkoji Temple is the most famous temple in Nagano Prefecture. Zenkoji has been designated as a national treasure and many tourists visit there every year. The reason it is visited by tourists is that the temple does not belong to a sect, which is very unusual. Therefore, many tourists can pray there, and the services are held for all the people of the prefecture. Due to the appeal of a temple with no specific sect, Zenkoji satellite temples have spread all over Japan. Now, there are 443 Zenkoji-related temples throughout the country. We should be proud of Zenkoji now more than ever. Nagano also has a special event that can only be seen once every 6 years. It takes place in the Suwa area and is called Onbashira. It is famous for the fact that it is a very powerful and unusual experience that cannot be had anywhere else. For the festival, trees are cut down in the mountains and brought to the shrine in the city. To get into the city, people ride on the logs as they slide down the hills. It is dangerous, but this event is very important to the people of Suwa. They have been riding on the logs for 1200 years. Don't you want to see it? Lastly, the mild climate is another wonderful part of Shinshu. I said that the climate is mild because the temperature is stable throughout the year. Thanks to that, there are many special products such as wasabi, lettuce, grapes, asparagus, and so on. Many people know that these products are famous in Shinshu, but like I mentioned before, I want to tell everyone about enoki mushrooms. I live in Nakano City, which is the #1 producer of mushrooms, including enoki in Japan. Eating enoki mushrooms supports your health because they contain lentillin, which boosts the immune system of the body. Adding enoki to your diet will help you live a long life so that you can see the Onbashira Festival many times. A recent invention makes including enoki in your diet very easy by using some unusual ice cubes. The invention is called enoki gori or enoki ice cubes. The idea for this invention was born in Nagano as well. To make enoki gori, mushrooms are chopped and blended into a fine paste. Some water is added and then the paste is poured into ice cube trays and frozen. This makes small cubes of organic paste that can be added as a special flavor to any dish, such as curry or miso soup. These are only some of the things that make Shinshu a wonderful place to live. We are proud to share the many unusual specialties of Nagano Prefecture with everyone who is looking for new or rare experiences. I hope you will come visit soon. Thank you for for listening.